Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to math class. Today, we're going to be working on elapsed time strategies. So go ahead and look in your workbook on page 108. We're going to be looking at the second problem. I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so we're going to look at the second problem. It says Jennifer usually starts her homework at 6:30 p.m., but she was 8 minutes late. Uh-oh. She worked on her homework for 27 minutes. What time did she finish her homework? So 6:30, but she was 8 minutes later than normal, and she worked on it for 27 minutes. So we're going to use a T-chart for this. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab some scratch paper, just so that I have enough room to show you. And it says that she starts usually at 6:30, but she was 8 minutes late, so 6:30 plus 8 minutes is 6:38. So T-chart here, my start time is 6:38. She worked on her homework for 27 minutes. So I'm going to just break this into a group of 20, and then I'm going to break the 7 into a group of 2 because I want to get to that even number of 40. And then I know that 5 plus 2 is 7, so a number bond of 2 and 5. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the 2 minutes, and then I'm going to check it off. So that would be 6:40. Now I'm going to add my 20 minutes just to make it easy for myself. I'm going to add 20 minutes. And I know that 40 plus 20 is 60. So that takes me to the next hour. So 6:40 plus 20 minutes would be 7 p.m. And then I'm going to look at this 5. I'm going to add 5 minutes. And that would be 7:05, which is my end time. All right, so looking at the T-chart, I have my start time. I have my elapsed time, which I'm just going to label it ET for elapsed, and then I have the end time. So if I look back, I would just write Jennifer finished her homework at 7:05. So on my piece of paper here, on my workbook page, I'm actually going to show you a timeline. So I'm actually going to start this timeline at 6:30. Because that's the first thing that I did here was I had to add that 8 minutes. You could do that quickly in your head. I'm just going to show you how it looks on paper. 6:30 plus 8, that would be 6:38. So I did that one. And then 27 minutes. So again, I'm going to break that into 22 and 5. I'm going to add my 2 minutes to get to 6:40. I'm going to just check it off that I did that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my 20 minutes. And that would get me to 7 p.m. And then 5 more minutes would be 7:05. And so then there I go. She finished her homework at 7:05 p.m. So this is the timeline. And I've also shown you the T-chart. I think there's enough space right here. I can show you the zoom strategy, which the zoom strategy is one that you start, you go across, you go down, and then you end. Okay, so the times that we can break into are, we're going to start at 6:30, and we're going to add 8, and that's 6:38, and then we're going to add our 20, 6:38 plus 20, so we're doing it a little different. So 38, count by 10s, 10 more is 48, and 10 more would be 58. So I'm at 6:58. That's our 8 minutes, our 20 minutes, and now I'm just going to do the 7. So let me show you how I'm breaking this 27. I also had the 8 in here. So 8 minutes late, done. We did 20 minutes late, or 20 minutes of homework, done, and now we're going to add 7 minutes to this. So 58, count on, 59, 60, so we're at 7 o'clock, and then 5 more, 7:05. And then this is your end time. The strategy works well if you don't have a lot of space or if it just helps your brain to visualize and breaking it apart. Remember that the time that's in the middle is your elapsed time. Your start time is where you begin, and clearly your end time is at the end here. Okay, so those are our 3 strategies, and hopefully one of those just clicks and makes perfect sense to you. All right, so you're going to do the challenge problem on your own, and we will go over it in class. Have a great day, friends. Bye.